How to back up your data with Dropbox like a pro. Hi guys, and welcome back to the YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to back up your files using Dropbox in just a few simple steps. Dropbox is a cloud storage service that lets you safely store and back up your files online. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Dropbox account. As you can see, I'm already logged in here. Now, let's say I want to back up this video file. All I need to do is head to the top menu and click on the Upload button. From here, you can choose to upload individual files or entire folders. You can even import directly from services like Google Drive. Once your files are uploaded, they're instantly backed up to your Dropbox cloud. The best part? Your data is accessible from any device where you log into your Dropbox account. It stays safe and secure and won't disappear unless you delete it yourself. So whether it's days, months, or years later, your files will still be there waiting for you. And that's how simple it is to back up your files using Dropbox. Just log in, upload, and access your content from anywhere, anytime. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.